If you're thinking about investing in Readdle Limited's suite of productivity tools, you're likely already familiar with their reputation for innovation. But before you make the leap, there are some important things you need to know, especially when comparing them to their competitors. In this video, we'll walk through 7 key points that will help you decide if Readdle Limited is the right choice for you. Stick around till the end because I've got a special offer that you don't want to miss. Next thing. One of the standout features of Readdle Limited is its focus on simplifying productivity without sacrificing functionality. They've made their products super user-friendly, but still packed with powerful features that can match or even surpass the likes of Evernote, Notion, and even Google Workspace. The ability to streamline multiple workflows with just one tool is really where Readdle shines, especially in an era where time is more precious than ever. The second thing you should know is that their apps are not just pretty designs, they are highly functional. Take their PDF Expert, for example. Compared to Adobe Acrobat, PDF Expert offers a simpler, more intuitive interface that makes working with PDFs a breeze. You can annotate, edit, and even fill forms all in one place. For anyone looking to do more than just view PDFs, this tool is a game changer. If you're someone who's constantly handling paperwork, it could save you loads of time compared to the more clunky alternatives. Next thing, Readdle's seamless integration with other productivity tools is another huge selling point. While apps like Notion and Microsoft Office are great on their own, they often feel a bit siloed. Readdle's solutions work incredibly well together, which allows you to sync and manage documents, emails, and notes across various platforms with ease. Whether you're on iOS or macOS, everything feels integrated perfectly. You won't have to switch between different apps just to get simple tasks done, which definitely gives it an edge over competitors. The fourth thing to note is the pricing. Compared to other tools, Readdle offers great value. Their premium plans are competitively priced, and the free versions of their apps already offer an impressive amount of functionality. This is where Readdle truly stands out, offering great features without hitting your wallet too hard. If you're someone who's been debating whether to upgrade to a paid plan for apps like Evernote or Todoist, Readdle could be a more cost-effective solution while still offering similar or better features. Next thing to keep in mind is their focus on privacy. Unlike some larger competitors like Google or Microsoft, Readdle doesn't rely on selling your data to make a profit. They focus on offering a better user experience without compromising your privacy. For those of us who are concerned about data security in this day and age, this is a big deal. So if privacy is a top priority for you, Readdle definitely offers a compelling advantage over companies that are more focused on monetizing user data. The sixth thing, customer support. Readdle's support team is known for being fast and helpful. Many users report quick response times and quality assistance, which can't always be said for larger companies. For anyone who's ever had to deal with slow or unhelpful support teams, this could make all the difference, especially when troubleshooting or needing immediate help with their software. Finally, if you're considering Readdle Limited, it's important to mention the overall user experience. With most productivity tools, there's often a steep learning curve. Not with Readdle. They've made sure that even if you're not particularly tech-savvy, you can dive in and start using their apps almost immediately. The clean interface, logical layout, and straightforward functionality all make it very user-friendly, something that a lot of users appreciate over competitors that tend to be either overly complex or too bare bones. So, if you're ready to give Readdle Limited a try, I've got something special for you. Click the first link in the description below to get the best offer available and try it for free. That's right, you'll get exclusive benefits and have a chance to test out their powerful suite of tools risk-free. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your productivity with one of the best in the business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click that first link below.